Okay, going to quick review on Hylands for kids, cold and cough. First of all, get a little measuring cup here. Measure out the dose. Everybody here is fighting with colds and allergies right now. The weather's going back and forth. The temperature was, and been getting a lot of rain and everything here the last couple of weeks. So everybody's fighting with colds, and we may get this for the for the kids. I think one day last week is when she picked it up. But she's been giving it to them. Seems to be helping. Seems to be helping them with it. And that coughing is bad and everything. It's not making them, don't make them drowsy where they want to go to sleep or do anything like that. This is for 2 to 12-year-old kids. It's homeopathic, tossing. Okay, that's Spanish. I'm not sure what that says in English. My Spanish is a little rough. That's pretty good. Like I said, everybody here is fighting with colds and everything because of the weather can't make up its mind. It's that time now, that time of the year when the temperature goes back and forth. Trying to go from summer to winter. It's pretty good little cold medicine for kids. It is Hylands for kids, cold and cough medicine. And it's a good something, like I said, it's got something there in Spanish, which I'm not sure what it means in English. Spanish is a little rough.